Hey, what's up YouTube gang? This is the dashboard of my little brother. He did the My Forex Funds challenge for 20k account, and as you can see, that's the first two account right here, and he just passed it. He made 5%. Here you can see the equity, 21,000. Here you can see down here it says passed. You can see here everything, 5% here. He did it. 1,000 profit target rate. That's it, guys. You can see that anyone can be funded, guys. Anyone can be funded. He had 60 days to make 5%, and he did it in how many days?
19 days.
19 days. You see, it took his time. 90 days.
I was in Jordan at first.
Yeah, I was in Jordan here.
3%, then
3% until, you see, look at the comeback. Phew. Sometimes you're gonna be in drawdown, guys, but it's alright because it's trading. You need to be get to lose sometimes in order to come back stronger like him. You can see that? That's cool. And when I come here, you can see that this certificate right here, Malick Akinbola. If you know me, you know that my name is Malick Akinbola, so we share the same last name, so it's my little brother, same blood, everything. I'm proud of him. I'm proud of him. Hey YouTube, welcome back to a new video. Today I have with me my brother right here, Malick Akinbola. If you don't know me, my name is Malick Akinbola, and this is my YouTube channel, Financial Freedom FX. And my brother just passed my Forex Fund challenge, phase 1 and phase 2, and now he's funded. He got a 20,000 funded account from my Forex Fund. And Malick, how do you feel after passing the challenge?
man, I feel great. I feel great because I've been trying to pass those challenges for a long time.
Yeah.
And I failed multiple times, and I finally got funded, and I feel great.
Yeah. For those who don't know Malick, I think you haven't posted on your Instagram, but if you follow him, Malick Akinbola on Instagram, he passed my Forex Fund challenge with phase 1 twice for the $20,000 account, but unfortunately he didn't pass the phase 2. So this is the third time that you passed the phase 1 and the first time you passed the phase 2.
I feel good because I feel like my learning curve is finally coming through. For example, at first I was taking my first challenges that I took from my Forex Fund. I didn't pass it, and I was like, ow, I got frustrated and everything after every losses, after every losing streak.
Yes.
Then after the first time that I passed the first phase, I'm like, okay, let's do it, let's go with that. I'm a good trader and everything. Then I failed the phase 2 twice, and then now on the third try, I passed the first phase, and then I passed the second phase.
Okay.
So
that's cool. So Malick is super happy right now because right now he's currently trading on his funded live account. And can you just show them really quick?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Show them the account from my Forex Fund live, and he already made profit.
Okay, so this is I don't know if you guys can see.
Even if I don't see, I'm gonna upload the video later. Okay. And Malick, show them the profit you made already.
Okay, so today I made a profit of around $500.
Yeah, you made $493. You can see that right here.
And I'm currently up 600. Show you.
Okay. It's currently up 669 right now. You can see the balance, but right now it's in drawdown. But it's still in profit, it's still in profit. So that's like 3% in profit already?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
3% in profit. And when did you get the funded account?
I got the funded account yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
Okay, only one day you already made 3% on the account, on the funded account. That's great. So how do you think this month is gonna go, your first month with my Forex Fund? Because after this month, now you can withdraw your profit and get your refund. So how do you go with that? Are you stressed about it, or are you relaxed, or do you have a certain type of goal, a certain amount? Like if I reach maybe 10% or 8%, I'm done trading for the month, or you can trade the whole month?
I mean, I don't really have a goal. I don't really have like a profit target for me. I will just try to trade, and like if I make a good amount of profit, at some point I will start to risk like less and less, so that like I can keep my profit, and at the end of the month I can get my profit share. So if for example I get like 10% profit, maybe whatever, like 5% or 6%, and if like I'm cool with that, I will start risking less and less per trade, because like I can decide to stop trading if I get like a good profit, but the market is still going, and I know that I will still find some good probability setup. So I will just try to risk less and less. That's it.
Okay. So that's the strategy right now. Is a profit of 2%, and it's saying that when it's gonna get more in profit, it's gonna start to risk less. So by that, what do you mean? Right now, what percentage you risk per trade?
Right now, it depends on the trade and it depends on the stop loss. Like it depends on the probability of the trade. For example, if the trade is not like a high probability setup, I still can see my conferences, I can risk like half percent.
Okay.
But if the trade like is really like going through with my strategy and everything, like my conferences, the trend, everything is fine with me, I can risk 1%. Sometimes I can risk like 1.5%, but that's really rare.
That's really rare.
And like if I get comfortable with my profit by the end of the month, I will start maybe risking like 0.2% or maybe 0.3%, but I will not.
That would be after your first payout or before?
I mean, like if I made good profit before my first profit share. I mean, yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So, what do you think about My Forex Fund right now in trading? What do you think about the company, the broker that you're using?
I mean, so far so good, because I've been trying to take the challenges for a long time now, and the customer service and how like they treat the customers, it's fine. I really like them. So, and also the prices are cheap.
Yeah, the prices are definitely one of the best when it comes to prop firm. And do you think they are better than other prop firm, or do you think there are other prop firms that still works better than them, that have better customer service, that have better spreads in broker?
I mean, we all know that the most popular one is FTMO, but like FTMO is still more expensive than my Forex Fund. But like I think there's no like a lot of differences between FTMO and My Forex Fund, but I still think my Forex Fund is the best one now. I mean, for now, it's the best. It is the best in the game, like in different type of account that they provide, the prices and everything. So yeah, My Forex Fund.
That's cool. So, are you going to do another challenge for another account?
Yeah, I will try. Like for example, if I make a good amount of profit for my first month, I will take the money, like some money, to buy another challenge, maybe 50k or 100k to buy, so that I can keep growing my trading career, as like you can know.
That's good. That's good. So, what's your goal? Your goal as a trader? What size of account you want to trade to be financially free?
I mean, the bigger the better, because the bigger amount of money that you have, the bigger amount of profit that you can make.
That's true.
Yeah. So.
And the easier also it gets, because you don't have to trade most of the time.
Exactly. For example, if like you have $100,000 account, like just 1% is like 1,000 like.
And right now you are in profit of 3%, and if you're trading on the 100k account, you will be making 3,000 in one day.
Yeah.
3,000 in one day, guys. That's crazy. You can see that nowhere except in trading, or doing something really rare. So that's the advantage of trading. You know, it may be difficult because you're gonna go through a learning curve, and it's gonna be so difficult. You're gonna be in pain because at the beginning you may not find a good mentor or a good strategy. You may not understand the market as well as you can now understand it. But when you put the time and the effort, you will see that it's gonna pay. You know, it's gonna pay. Now you are here. How long have you been trading?
I've been trading since 3 years now.
Okay.
I mean, I've known trading before, but I didn't really learn. I just like learn like what trading is, what is a buy order, what is a sell order, everything. But I didn't really learn how to trade. But after that, after learning about trading, after hearing about trading, I tried to look online. I tried to look on like videos on YouTube to teach myself how to trade. And it took me a long time. That's why like when someone asks me on Instagram or whatever, like they want to learn how to trade, I always tell them like, yes, those videos on YouTube are good, but if you really need to learn, like you want to see your learning curve like being more short than mine, you have to get a mentor, get
someone that's experienced.
exactly
to show you the
like,
way,
get like the right formation
Yeah.
for your trading career. So,
Yes.
yeah.
So what do you think about that when people want to start first trading and they say, oh, I don't have money to buy that course, and they go on YouTube, because YouTube is like university for free, and they go there, they watch a lot of videos, because on YouTube you can have different type of information. And I think that when you have different type of information, your brain can't process everything right, because you get information from here, from whatever, and it may be different. And how do you think that people that don't have the money to learn from a good mentor, what do you advise them to do?
I mean, to be honest, if like they don't have the money, they just have to. I mean, from the time being, they just have to spend some time on YouTube to learn like some basic stuff, like what is trading, what is support and resistance, what is like how to read candles and everything. But at some point, if they really want to see their trading go to a certain type of level, they have to get a mentor to learn how to trade properly.
Okay, that's cool. So, do you teach people how to trade? Because you said that some of your friends that approach you to ask about trading. So
Yeah, I do, but not right now, because like I've been busy with school and everything.
Yeah.
But for example, there is one of my friends back in my home country that I taught him how to trade, and he's a really good trader right now. And
Very good.
by the way, he's passing
My Forex Funds right now?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. That's good. We wish him good luck, because we know it's not easy, guys. It depends also on the market conditions. You only have 30 days, but exactly it's only 20 days if you don't count the weekends. It's only 20 days in the month to trade. So yeah, but we wish him good luck. And can you tell me a little bit about your strategy? What kind of strategy do you trade?
I mean, first of all, like my strategy is all about trend. I always trade with a trend.
Okay.
For example, if the price is like in uptrend, I always try to wait and see if like the price break the resistance, and then I wait for the comeback from to make a retest, so that I can target the next resistance.
Okay. So you just create a trend, high, low, high, high,
Exactly.
low.
Exactly.
Okay. So you keep it simple.
Keep it simple and with no indicators.
No indicators.
Yeah.
So when do you trade? What session do you usually
I
trade?
mostly trade like pre-session London, just before London, and sometimes New York too.
So you trade most of the time.
Yeah, but like not Asian session and everything.
Okay, what pair do you like?
My favorite pair is GBP CHF,
Okay.
but recently I've been trading gold a lot, and it was gold that made me pass the Facebook like quickly, because for the past 7 days, for the past 20 days, I've been winning on gold like
No loss on gold.
Yeah, no loss on gold.
Oh, good. So
I just took my first loss
First
like
loss
yesterday.
yesterday?
Gold or something.
okay, but it's nothing. You've been winning all the trade since
Yeah,
a week
yeah.
ago. So one loss is not gonna ruin everything. So now you're gonna show me how you use your trading strategy to show people. If I want to pass also my Forex Fund challenge, we have the link down below to get a 5% reduction of the my Forex Fund challenge. But right now Malick is gonna show us his strategy. So let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, Malick. Now you can show us how you approach the market.
Okay, first of all, I always do a top-down analysis first. Like that means for the people that doesn't know, I start by the monthly, then weekly, daily, and then so forth.
Yeah.
So here we're in the monthly, then I go in the weekly.
So on the monthly, you look for potential key levels, support, and resistance.
Exactly. Okay, nothing special here. Maybe here, right here. In the daily. So here we can see in the daily we are in the uptrend. And for the people that doesn't know, right now we are on AUD-CHF.
Yeah, we can see it right here.
Yeah. So right now you notice that we are in an uptrend on like on a daily time frame. So as I said, you can see that we are in the uptrend. Then I noticed here that I thought like we're about to shift to a downtrend, because here I saw that it was making low high and low lows.
Okay.
So, but after that I saw the price break above this resistance right here. I was like, okay, maybe we are still going uptrend. So I waited for the retest here on this level, but I couldn't enter here because I didn't see enough confirmation, enough confiances.
Okay.
But after that bullish candle here, that bullish engulfing here, I waited for the comeback, for the retest here. Then after this hammer, I entered buy here, around here. I forgot my exact entry.
Okay.
And my TP was at the next resistance level, and my stop loss was just under these lows. So around 27 pips, 26 pips. Yeah.
Okay, so that's how you approach the market.
Yeah, exactly.
That's cool. So, what's your risk ratio usually?
So I always try to have a risk ratio of at least 1 to 2 risk ratio, because the better the risk ratio, the better like you will move away from your losing trade. For example, you can have like three losing trade, but if you just have one trade that you make 3 times your risk, you can make those losses back.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. So, do you have any trade to show us?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you the trade that made me pass the phase 2.
Okay.
On gold. So on gold here, we can see that we are in the uptrend. Let me go forward to the chart first. Okay, you can see that we are in the uptrend, clear uptrend, and then when I go on the 1 hour chart, I saw that here we broke above these lows here.
Of the high.
And then I noticed that on the weekly, that we were like close to the last high, the last high that gold made. Like, I think it was back in 2020. And when I come back in 1 hour chart, after the break, I noticed that the price break with the huge bullish candle, and I waited for the retest here. Then I went into 15 minutes time frame, if I remember. Yeah. And after that rejection here, I didn't like the momentum here, like those 3 candles. I waited for another retest, so I got inside one here, I think. One here, and my TP was all the way up there. I think my TP was around 660 pips or something. I didn't really hit that TP, but I got my trading one here, and my stop loss was like, let me try to remember, below the 78 mark of Fibonacci.
Okay.
Here.
So you use the Fibonacci level to best the stop loss.
Yeah, and also to measure the retest sometimes.
For your
the
interest.
retracement. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's
So
cool.
here-
Risk ratio 1 to 4.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's a good trade.
yeah. That
That's
was
a
a
good trade.
really, really good trade. I was very, very happy about that trade.
That's good. That's nice. So, Malick, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for showing us how you passed My Forex Funds challenge, phase 1 and phase 2. Thank you, and we wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Malick here, my brother, is happy right now because he got this account funded. And yeah, like you saw, it kept everything simple, you know, breakout, retest, and it follows the trend. So that's it. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a comment down below, subscribe to see more of this. Peace.